Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about, or rather, I'm going to show you how we can create a trial account on Okta, right? So Okta is something which we know all about the identity and access management platform, right? So it's the platform and similar to Microsoft Active Directory, which is in on-premises, obviously, and the Microsoft Entra ID, which is rebranded from Microsoft Azure Active Directory, right? So now, why Okta is the one which is really being used by the companies, right? It is not only the specific company, but there are many companies, many organizations who are relying on Okta as their identity solution for their organizations. And it is similar to Microsoft Entra ID, and both are the same platforms, but they are providing different capabilities, different features, different services that can provide us, right? And that is why each of those products are unique. It is not something both are overlapping the features and something, and that is why or what which platform we should choose. It totally depends on the use cases, requirements, what organization is looking for, what they wanted to bring onto the table, and what they wanted to bring onto the business, right? So that is why many companies are choosing Okta, many companies are choosing Microsoft, and both are unique on their own places. It is not something this is one has less features and another has extra features or maybe good. So totally depends on the business use case, business requirements, and from security standpoint, both are very strong. It is not something, and there is nothing like a comparison between both. So both are the platforms which are working together as in they have the similar market share. Both platforms are unique on its natures and features and services that they are offering. And there is something, or there is nothing like hidden, or maybe the platform itself is not appropriate, right? So both are good and in the good market share and everything is available, right? So now I'm going to show you specifically how we can uh, sign up for a trial account, and that trial account can be used for different purposes, including learning, right? Obviously, those who wanted to learn and explore Okta, definitely they can sign up and learn about the Okta, how it works, what are the features, and then maybe that can help you learn and upgrade your skills. And other scenarios or other use cases would be to do the POCs, right? So it is going to give us the 30 days of time period, and that 30 days time period can be used as well as leveraged for POCs, and maybe that can give us the clarity and visibility how Okta is better or what we are trying to achieve, right? It is not something the better one platform is better and another is not appropriate or maybe not enough for our case, right? So it could be different use cases that company or business wants to achieve, right? It totally depends on the business, how they are trying to achieve, what they are trying to achieve for their business, maybe for next year or quarter or whatever it is. So right, it totally depends on the organization's requirement and use cases and wherever they wanted to spend a particular amount or maybe investment for their business, right? And that is why they are looking for, or any organization that they wanted to spend some, or maybe to protect their identities, as Okta is identity and access management solution. At the same time, it has the capabilities for identity governance as well as administration, access control, multi-factor authentication, single sign-on. I'm telling these are the main feature sets that we can implement. The same features are available in the Entra ID, right? And there are other capabilities as well. So both are the different and unique platforms on each of those, and those are really being used, right? So this was a bit about what is Okta and how it works and what are the different things about each of those platforms, right? So I'm going to deep dive into all of those features, right? And then I'm going to make views, or maybe I'm going to show you how we can create different capabilities, different services within it, and then use it. So I'm going to show you how we can sign up for free trial, and then I'm going to make different videos on the different capabilities of Okta, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So let me share my screen here quickly, and I will simply show you how we can do that, right? So yeah, so here's the screen, or here's the Okta free trial URL, right? And there you see there are two types of identities which we can create. And before that, you are seeing that workforce identity cloud and customer identity cloud. So Okta is something which is a pure cloud-based solution that we can leverage, right? And even Entra ID is also cloud-based solution, right? And uh, here are two options, right? Also, this platform is really been used by many well-known organizations, you can see, and they are their customers as well as they are using it for their businesses. And here you can see 7,000 plus pre-built integrations, and there is no vendor lock-ins, right? And it also allows to manage users, groups, and devices at one place. And then it allows us to automate one-click user onboarding and offboarding. So these are the key features we can say that Okta has, right? And so I'm going to talk about a bit of these two options: why workforce identity cloud and customer identity cloud. So what are each of those? So workforce identity cloud is something which is being used across the organizations. Let's say I wanted to sign up for this platform, and I do sign up. I will do my POC. I will test capabilities, and then I will make a decision whether I wanted to go with this platform. And then I will uh, bring the enterprise version of this platform, right? So as soon as I sign up and then start exploring and using this platform, then I would use this platform for the organization, for whole organization specifically. Also, it can work for the customers, external users, partners, right? And that way we can leverage this platform. So this is going to be kind of used for internal organization, for a whole organization to manage identities, devices, and users across the organization. And the customer identity cloud is going to be used for the specifically for external users. External could be partners, customers, or users who are going to access our customer facing applications, right? And that way we can leverage the customer identity cloud platform, which is a part of Okta only. And for this platform, to give an example, if you might be aware or you might have seen, there are different capabilities in Entra ID, which is Microsoft Entra External ID, right? And similar to that, there is another solution from Microsoft, which is Azure AD B2C, right? Business to consumer. So similar to that, this is also the same platform that Okta is providing, Okta has, right? So this can also be used for the similar use cases, right? And basis on that, we can leverage this. So for now, I'm going to create trial account with 30 days of period, right? And this basis on that, I'm going to simply use this. I'm going to create with a simple details, and then I'm going to use my trial tenant account, and which is going to give us the details about, right? And then I am going to select the country here, then select I'm not a robot, right? And once I fill the details, I will simply click on start free trial. So this is going to set up this account for my account, or the account that I have added here at the top, right? And then it is going to simply allow me to test its capabilities. Perfect. So it has sent an email to begin with. So I'm just going here and activate Okta account. So this is just an verification that I am the right user, right? Instead of creating account, and it is something that I should authenticate myself so that I can simply create account and use it. So let me create a password for it. And click next. Okay, so here it says, okay, Okta Verify is an authenticator app. Install on your phone or customer use to pro your identity access. Okay, so it is going to ask me to set up myself or verify it, right? And basis on that, I can simply verify myself as an, so let me download Okta Verify Authenticator. And once I download and install it on my phone, so I'm going to simply install it, and then I'm going to add this account or authenticate myself, right? So that it is going to allow me to get into the application or get into the Okta, so that I would be able to use this as an administrator, and then we can leverage and see the different capabilities of Okta, right? So this is very interesting. So let me go ahead and do that. Scan QR code. Let me scan this QR code quickly. And now it is going to be added. So now it should be verified. Account enabled. So here you see it is signing me in. That means the account is verified, right? So here you see that there are different, choose the apps that are most important to integrate, which application you wanted to integrate. And I can select any of these, maybe Active Directory, Office 365, Google Workspace, and many more, right? So I'm going to select Office 365 and then click next. And where are your users imported from? So I'm going to select Office 365. What Okta features are you most interested in? So I'm going to select all of these because I wanted to select and use all of these capabilities. What do you want to solve with Okta? So here it says, what are the challenges that you are trying to solve, right? So it is asking to us say about this because we might be facing any challenges or issues and what we are trying to resolve using Okta, and that is why it is asking us to do that, right? So basis on that, maybe we can skip this question. It is not something mandatory, but we can simply go ahead and click on done button, right? And so, all right, so we got into the tenant here, and we can see at the top 30 days left in your trial. So here you can say discuss your needs with the Okta sales and support team so that we can leverage the Okta and maybe we can get into the system, right? Or maybe we can leverage it fully as Okta provides the services. So, all right, we are into the system now, and this way we would be able to access it and use it. So here you see at the left corner or left side, we have different uh, key features and functionalities that we can leverage. And there are many features, many capabilities that we can leverage for different requirements, right? And all of those are very helpful and important for each different use cases. So I'm going to make videos on each of these capabilities so that you can also learn at the same time. And I wanted to go through and show you how this works and what are the capabilities of Okta, right? So yeah, that's all for this video, and stay tuned for other capabilities. And yep, that's all for this video, and thanks for watching. And yeah, bye for now.